Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to avoid toll roads on the Maps.me application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, go to the right bar and you can find the first button, the more. New, click to the settings section, and in the map and navigation section you can find the second option, the routing options. Click that and you can find the first button, the avoid toll roads. New, if you want to enable this feature, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can avoid the toll roads. If you want to turn off, click that again, and that's it. So easy. So pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.